So we are asked to find x in this problem. But we know that 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So if we substitute this value of 4 in here, we'd have 2 squared times 3x minus 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power x plus 15. Alright, so from the law of indices, that says that any x raised to the power a times b is equal to x raised to the power ab. If we do that here, we'd have 2 raised to the power 2 3x minus 5 to be equal to 2x plus 15. Alright, so since the bases are the same, we'll have 2 into 3x plus 5, minus 5 is equal to x plus 15. Alright, so if we open this bracket, 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times minus 5 is minus 10, is equal to x plus 15. So if we add 10 to the both sides, we'll have 6x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to x plus 15 plus 10. These two, of course, would go. We'll have 6x is equal to x plus 25. So we subtract x from the both sides. 6x minus x is equal to x minus x plus 25. So of course these two would go, and we'll have 5x is equal to 25. So if we divide both sides by 5, would have x is equal to 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and put your thoughts in the comment below. See you in the next one. Bye.